Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of being in receiving mode and not asking mode, and what the difference is between the two, and how you can switch from asking mode, because I can guarantee you are in it, to receiving mode. How to do it, how it's going to benefit you. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. I am in beautiful Thailand on Coconut Island, and I am feeling so happy and relaxed, and I am fully in receiving mode, which is why I decided today is going to be the video for that. Asking mode is when you are questioning whether or not you're doing something right, if you are doing the correct manifestation routine in order for you to get what you want. Versus receiving mode is you being calm and confident in yourself, fully knowing that everything that you're doing is correct, that there is nothing that I need to do that's very specific. There's nothing out of the ordinary that I need to do, and basically all I need to do is to exist, and I'm going to get my manifestation. So in order to be in receiving mode, you simply need to relax, be yourself, be in this present moment, and know that there is nothing that you need to do. Purely just existing and doing nothing is going to lead you to your manifestations. I saw this post yesterday and I posted on my Instagram stories, and it said, I get what I want with no effort, because that is how it should be. And the thing is that if you just let yourself do that, these things are going to come into your life without you having to bend over backwards or break your back to get it. You know that you are deserving of your manifestation right now, so there's nothing else that you need to do. You are perfect the way that you are. And the quicker you realize that, the quicker all of your manifestations are gonna come into your life. I will give you an example. So my best friend is one of 3 sisters. Their ages are 24, 26, and 28. The younger sister wanted to have a relationship, but every time that I had a conversation with her, she was very relaxed about it. What came across for me was that she was just very relaxed, and she just took things day by day. Now, this sister hasn't had a lot of dating experience, and she was still very confident in herself, which she should. She is a beautiful girl. I could definitely see that she was in receiving mode, meaning she knows that she is worthy. She does not have to take any courses. She does not have to watch any YouTube videos of how to get a man. She was just simply living her best life, doing what made her happy, going to the gym, leveling up in her career, spending time with her family. She loves going on walks, and as she usually does, she goes on a walk, minding her business. A guy is walking out of the beach just like a movie. She sees him as he's walking, and they're family friends, but they haven't seen each other in a while. They basically meet there, catch up, they go on a date. After a couple of days, the rest is history. This girl went from never having a boyfriend at all to now she's engaged, and this guy has his own business, he is well off. So she went from not being in a relationship to being with the love of her life. She was in receiving mode. She wasn't sitting there closing her eyes, affirming. She simply was living her life, and she knew that just because she exists, she is deserving of her desires, and it came to her in the most natural, perfect way. But I'm telling you guys, all you have to do is just fucking relax. Relax, live your best life, enjoy the moment, do what makes you happy, whether it's going to the gym, sitting at home, working on your career, being with your friends, going on TikTok, doom scrolling. Literally, there is no right or wrong answer to this, as long as you are doing what makes you happy and you are simply in receiving mode. Do you know what receiving is? It is you getting gifts by the universe just because. You are getting presents from the universe just because you are worthy, because you exist. That simply is it. There is nothing specific that you need to do. There is nothing that you have to go out of your way to do. Burst a blood vessel, break your back, do 300 witch rituals, talk to a psychic, affirm 24/7. You simply need to exist. And it's not just to do with your manifestations. It is about everything to do with your life. It is about you waking up in the morning and it being a perfect day. You waking up, you getting coffee, everything just seamlessly falling into your lap, finding the perfect outfit for work, going to work, having the best conversation with your coworkers, and everything is just simply flowing because you're not in a questioning mode of, am I doing something right? Should I be focusing on my self-concept? Does this person like me? You're not questioning anything about manifestation or your life. You do not question any more than you have to. So be in the receiving mode. Know that everything that you are is enough. If you feel like affirming, it's because affirming makes you happy, right? You're not doing it to get, you're doing it because it makes you excited, right? You can do anything that you want, and as long as it makes you happy, it's going to bring you to your manifestation. But you're not doing it because you're in asking mode and you're thinking, maybe affirming is going to get me my manifestation. You are affirming and doing all of your techniques because you are vibing high, you are loving your life, and it's exciting for you. You get so excited about your manifestation that you're like, oh my god, all I want to do is just affirm, or whatever technique that you want to do. So get into the receiving mode today and see how it makes your life so much easier. You do not have to do anything to get something. You're simply living your best life, and the universe, because of that, keeps giving you gifts. Have you noticed that when you smile at strangers, they will smile back? The entire world, the entire universe will smile back at you. But when you're in this desperate asking energy, like, can I manifest my height, Rita? Can I manifest to be in Hogwarts, Rita? Can I manifest this person even though I haven't talked to him in 10 years, Rita? The answer is always yes. You have to be the first one to initiate the receiving mode, because the universe wants to give you everything that you've been asking for and more. It wants you to have the best life ever because truly you deserve it, but you're just not letting it. So you just need to let go and receive. Treat every single situation from now on as a present from the universe, even if it's not nice. And know that no matter if it's nice or good, it's actually something that's leading you to your manifestation. For example, I didn't bring any workout clothes. I was gonna work out in my jorts, and then my best friend was like, you can use my Lululemon brown shorts. I tried them on, they fit perfectly on me. I'm gonna keep them because I don't want to give away my sweaty ass Lululemon shorts after a week of working out. I'm just gonna buy them, send them straight to her house, brand new ones, and I got Lululemon shorts that are absolutely perfect on me. They're an amazing color, they're so comfortable. Even something bad as, oh, I forgot my workout gear, I'm going to the gym for this entire week and for the rest of my life now. I'm so excited, guys. I really want to go to the gym like every single day. I'm so inspired. That even turned out well, because I didn't even have to go to a fitting room. I didn't have to do anything. I just put these shorts on. It was like Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, bitch. They just fit me like a glove. So treat everything that happens to you as a gift from the universe. Just assume right now that you are in receiving mode. You are just in receiving mode right now, and everything that happens to you from now on is happening to aid you in your desires, in your happiness, in your manifestations, and see how that works out for you. Because you might not see now that that is a gift from the universe, but after a while you look back and be like, you know what? This actually aided me in my manifestation. This actually helped me see something or shift my perspective or help me realize something. Everything is always helping you to aid you to your manifestation, alright? With that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!